Oh, hey there. Hi. Welcome back to a new school year. I am Mrs. Clark, and I am a first grade teacher here at Lakeview Elementary. This is my second year teaching at Lakeview. I'm glad to be back for another year. It's my fifth year teaching first grade, so I'm so excited about having another year. I just want to say I'm really looking forward to meeting you. So please, if you haven't already done so, sign up for one of those meet and greets next week. There's a lot of open time slots. I'm really looking forward to getting to know you and your student, your child, just a little bit more about you so that we can start out our year just really great. And so students, also join me for our first morning meeting on our Google Meet on Tuesday morning at 8:50 so that we can see each other, we can hear each other's voices. I would be really happy to see you. So first grade, we are going to have a fantastic year. I enjoy being, a little bit about me is that I really enjoy being outside, and I enjoy spending time with my family, but we'll get to know each other a little bit more. Oh, and also, I really enjoy Gerald and Piggy and reading, and it's going to be fun to go on adventures with them. So, it's going to be a fantastic year in first grade, and if you haven't already done so, please take a look and view the videos from the other first grade teachers, Mrs. Pappin and Mrs. Bursell. We work very closely as a team, so you may not see videos from me, you may see them from them as well. So it's going to be a great year, all of us working together as a team. So see you later. See you on Tuesday. Bye-bye, Robins.